Light turns to green. Bunny rolls. They're all set. Favourite in the 6. Set. Racing Comets come out okay on the outside and goes to the early lead. Kid Dynamo's trying to punch up in between them on the inside. Lehigh Flyer, they all jammed up a bit there, and getting through Lehigh Flyer shows the way. Up in behind it would have been Kid Dynamo. The favourite dropped back. Up around the corner though, and Lehigh Flyer doing it nicely. Kid Dynamo's not going to get there. Out wide, Mally V got up for third there on the outside, I think. Also up there would have been Mally Len was there, so too Yap Trap. The Mandar Traeger, well back there. Comets was one of the last in with Billy Goat Ridge. Winner number 3, Lehigh Flyer by Nolan out of Inflated Ego. Owned and trained at Londonderry by Steve Cleary. Second will go to the 4, Kid Dynamo. Sure as Catherine Rose. Todd Fear of Cambridge Park. The 9's got third here, Mally Len. It's by Elite Blue Size out of Chevy Cherokee for Lee Cott of Mandurama. 3, 4, 9 and 1 the numbers. 17.80 the time, 1 3/4 by 1.